Hello students, now statics chapter number 18. In this chapter first variable. Variables are two types, continuous and discontinuous. Continuous variables if a variable which can take any numerical value is called continuous variable. Discrete if a variable which is incapable of taking all possible numerical value is called discrete variable. Okay, so in exercise 18e, first question, state which of the following variable are continuous and which are discrete. Number of children in your class, it is discrete. In this data we can not take all values, something 20.5, 30.2, it is not possible. In this data we take complete value, is 25, 35, 16, 80, 50 and so on. Distance traveled by car, this is continuous. Size of shoes, discrete. Time, continuous. Number of patient in a hospital, also discrete. Okay, now example first, given below are the marks obtained by 32 students in the examination. In this data 29, 40, 31, 7, 23, 3, 32, 9, 30, 12 and so on. Taking class interval 1 to 10, 11 to 20 and so on, 31 to 40. Make a frequency table for the above distribution. In solution, marks 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40. So we look the given data, we pick out the number up to 1 to 10. So there are 6 numbers in the data. First number 7, second 3 and 1, 2, 3. So frequency of this group 6 and 11 to 20 we find out number between 11 to 20, we find 8 numbers, so frequency equal 8. And in third group 21 to 30 we find out 11 numbers, so frequency 11. And 31 to 40 we find out 7 numbers, so frequency of this group 7. Okay students, first group 1 to 10 we find 6 numbers, 11 to 20 we find 8 numbers, 21 to 30 we find 11 numbers, and 31 to 40 7 numbers. Okay, now adjustment class interval. If intervals are given like this 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40. So 1 to 10, and next interval will start 11 to 20. One escape. So adjusting interval 1 upon 2, and it means 0.5. 0.5 subtract from lower limit and 0.5 add the upper limit. So 1 minus 0.5 equal 0.5, 10 plus 0.5, 10.5. So first interval 0.5 to 10.5, 10.5 to 20.5, 20.5 to 30.5, 30.5 to 40.5. This is the adjustment interval or true class limit. Now class size. Class size for intervals 10.5 to 20.5. So in this we subtract 10.5 minus 0.5 equal 10, or 20 minus 10 equal 10. If a class size interval 20 to 10, so 20 minus 10, upper limit minus lower limit, the difference is called class size. And class mark equal sum of lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. For example, class mark of 0.5 to 10.5 equal 0.5 plus 10.5 upon 2. So answer 5.5. Okay students, now question number 7. Class interval 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49, 50 to 54, 55 to 59. Frequency 7, 10, 12, 13, 8, 4. Now actual class interval. For actual class intervals, to 30 minus 0.5. So we find 29.5, and upper limit 34 plus 0.5, 34.5. So next interval 34.5 to 39.5, and third interval 39.5 to 44.5, next 44.5 to 49.5, next 49.5 to 54.5, and last 54.5 to 54.5. Okay. Now question number 8. Construct cumulative frequency. In this class interval 0 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 24, 24 to 32, 32 to 40. Frequency given 9, 13, 12, 7, 15. Now draw next column for CF, cumulative frequency. First cumulative frequency 9, second 9 plus 13, sum 22. So second 22, and third 22 plus 12, 34. Next 34 plus 7, 41, and 41 plus 15, 56. In second part we also can cumulative frequency. First 12, second 12 plus 18, 30, next 30 plus 23, 53, next 53 plus 15, 68, next 68 plus 10, 78. In question 9, draw frequency distribution. In this question, cumulative frequency given 8, 19, 23, 30. So draw a next column for frequency. First frequency 8, second 19 minus 8, 11. Next 23 minus 19, 4. Next 30 minus 23, 7. Answer. Okay students, now